Apply makeup over the existing base. Using an eyeshadow brush, cover the entire lid area with beige eyeshadow. Apply a soft brown eyeshadow along the outer eyelid corner and inside the crease. Brown eyeshadow is used here to create additional depth. Using a clean blending brush, soften the brown eyeshadow and blend it well with the lighter base. If you want more color intensity at the crease, reapply the brown eyeshadow. For eyeliner application, a synthetic angular brush is best suited. Using the angular brush, start applying eyeliner from the outer eye corner toward the center. Make the line very thin at the inner eye corner, literally touching the eyelashes. Once you've approached the center, gradually widen the line. Reaching the eyelid end, extend the line and have it turn slightly upward, pointing to the temple. The ending must be straight and thin. You can correct the line and make it thinner at the end using a cotton swab. Eyeliner application will be easier if you gently pull the eyelid toward the temple. Apply the eyelash adhesive at the very roots of the false eyelashes. Have the adhesive dry for a minute or two. Before you add false eyelashes and mascara, first curl your lashes with a lash curler. Position the lash curler along the eyelid, just at the lash roots, and gently press several times. Consider the following. You should include all eyelashes, be careful not to pinch the lid, and never lean the lash curler or your hand onto the face. False eyelashes are applied only at the outer eye corner. Attach false eyelashes at the roots of your own lashes and press gently. Once the adhesive dries completely, apply mascara to fuse the false lashes with your own. Comb through your eyebrows using a spoolie brush. If you want to correct or define your eyebrows, fill them in using brow powder or an eyebrow pencil. Following the shading, comb through your eyebrows one more time to remove excess product and achieve a neat final form. Using a suitable brush, gently apply blush in a soft pink tone, starting from the cheek and moving toward the cheekbone. Your brush stroke should always be gentle and light. Lip pencil can be used to define shape, achieve symmetry, or make the lips seem slightly bigger. Outline the lips with red lip pencil, but keep in mind not to cross your natural lip line. You can correct the line using a cotton swab. Now fill the entire lip area using the same pencil. Apply bright red lipstick using lipstick applicator, filling the previously marked area. Use a paper tissue to prevent lipstick marks on your teeth. Position the paper tissue between your central upper and lower lip and press lightly.